Okay, now we're gonna learn the S wave of the curl demo. So we want to have a lot of gel on the hair. And for right-handed, some of these are coming out, but for right-handed people, we're gonna come through here and begin the S wave. We're gonna slightly comb the hair to the left, and then we're gonna start on the right side. So I want to hold my comb flat, and I'm gonna start on the right side with my middle finger here, and I'm gonna shift the hair. I do not lift it, I just shift it. I bring my index finger and I pull that down. Lift up that finger, and if I need to, readjust the shift. Make sure that ridge is forming, and then roll off. Same way here. Shift. My comb's flat, and I connect those two together. Bring the next one over, shift. And ensure that that ridge stays in there and smooth. My comb is flat, or maybe at a 45-degree angle at the most. I have my ridge there. Now I'm on the left side, so I'm going to drop down on the left side, and then I will begin shifting to the left. So I want to have about 2 finger width. Shift to the left, rock off. Keep the comb flat, shift it to the left, combine those together. Keep working my way, shift to the left, have the ridge there. Make sure they have a connection. And if the hair's long, it gets heavy, so you can kind of go in and just push that ridge in. So now I have 2 ridges. So I ended up here on the right, so now I'm gonna drop down 2 finger depth, move my middle finger, and I'm going to start on the right, and I'm gonna shift right. So you see how I'm squeezing that off and rolling? Pushing that in. Keep your comb flat, shift right. Work that ridge. Shift right, comb it down. And there, I have 3 ridge finger wave, S wave, about 2 finger depth apart.